How to transform video in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now you can directly import the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. At last, hit on next. So basically we in this editing platform. Here you can make different changes and edits on the video. Now in order to transform it, simply tap on the clip that you want to transform, and on the bottom there's a section of transform. Tap on it. So this is the place where you can crop it or transform it. So you can simply pinch the video or adjust it however you like. So it's up to you and up to your creativity. At last you can go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.